Hello guys, welcome back to yet another tutorial, and today I will show you how to make a sweatshirt mockups. We will go from this simple sweatshirt image that I made using ChatGPT into a fully usable mockup that you can reuse forever. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, first we will create a new file in Photoshop. This one is 3000 by 3000. Hit create, and we will drag and drop our base image for the mockup. This is a sweatshirt that I made using ChatGPT. Here is the prompt. You can go ahead and try it yourself. Okay, so mockup. First, we will need to create a square. Let's use this rectangle tool. Click and make a 2000 by 2000 square. Okay. Now we will turn this square into a smart object. Right click on the layer. Click convert to smart object, and we will rename it to design. Next, we will adjust the size and the perspective of this square to match with the sweatshirt. Let's lower the opacity to 40%. Hit Command T and change the size of the square. This should be good enough. Now, right click on the square, choose distort, and we will move the side part a little bit. Just like this to match with the perspective, right? So it's like here, so we will mesh it that way. Okay, next we will right click again and warp. Now we will adjust our square to match with the curviness of the sweatshirt. Let's just put this a little, give it a little bit of warp here and there. Don't need to be too stressful on this. This is a very easy and light process. Just remember to not do it too much, okay? Just like that. That's better. Okay, good. Now we can go ahead and put the opacity back to 100%. And we'll double click on the smart object. Now we can insert our image. Here I have a panda. Very cute panda. Let's remove the background and hit save. Now close the file, and we have our panda on the sweatshirt. Very cool, right? Very cool. We can also change the layer mode here to something that you prefer, so you can go ahead and choose it yourself. We will stay with the normal one. Now we can add some shadows to our design. To do that, let's do the design and select the sweatshirt. Now hit Command J or duplicate. Move the layer up. Clip the layer by holding Alt or Option. Now we will go ahead and double click. Oh, sorry, before that, we'll go to design layer and turn it back to white. Now we will change this to multiply and double click on the layer. Now we will play with this blend if. Move this right slider slightly to the left so that we have our shadows selected. Hold Option or Alt and move the other slider to have smoother transitions to the shadow. Hit enter. And now we can go back to the design, put the design back. Let's make it full. Hit enter, save, close. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change this. Okay, remove the background, save, close. Now our panda have some shadows on it. The shadow here is a bit of yellow, so we can go to this layer, press Command U, and lower the saturation, just like that. And now our panda is on the sweatshirt. Very cool. Great. If the perspective is a bit off, you can always go and distort it again and place it the way you want it. This is very much subjective, so if you like it before, you can do it. If you like it a bit more like this, you can also do just like that. You can go ahead and export and save the file. Now you have a usable mockup that you can reuse forever.
Now that you have created your mockup template, pair it with Bulk Mockup Photoshop plugin or Bulk Mockup Web App to generate hundreds of mockups in minute with just a single click. For this example, I am going to use the Bulk Mockup Web App. All you need to do is go to app.bulkmockup.com. I dropped the link in the description. Now follow these simple steps. Click here or open the folder containing your templates, drag and drop your templates here. Scroll down, open the folder containing your design files. Select them all and drop your design files here. Lastly, scroll down and hit on Generate Mockups. Now here is an important notice. Don't leave this page until the process is complete. Go ahead and hit on Start Bulk Generation and voila, all your mockups will be generated within minutes. Go try Bulk Mockup. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.